Let's revamp our potato salad into this delicious, nutritious salad we can pair with anything of our choosing or otherwise great on its own. Hello there and welcome to Dear Denise's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you have not already. Thank you for tuning in to spend some time with us. Today we are going to turn our tired old potato salad into this nutritious meal. Let's get started. In my previous upload, we prepared some potato salad using these two assorted potatoes. They came out so delicious. We added some peas and some chive, some mayonnaise, salt and pepper. This was really delicious, and we paired it with some oven grilled chicken. If you haven't seen the video, I'll link it up for you to have a look at it. So today we had some of the potato salad left over and we don't want it to go to waste, so I'm going to use it to show you how you can revamp or upgrade your potato salad into nutritious, delicious potato salad that you can enjoy. So let's get started. As you can see, I'm cutting up all the vegetables that we'll be needing for this recipe. Just chop there. We've got some carrot here, crunchy carrots to go along with our red bell peppers and some red cabbage. I also had some boiled pasta in the fridge and we added that to it, which made it more hardy, should I say. So this is our potato salad. Can you see how dry it's looking and tired? So we're going to add our ingredients to it. We're going to also add some more mayonnaise and some salt and pepper to it, and we're going to mix it all up. And we're also going to add some more of the chive, and we're going to have this delicious salad. This takes no time at all, and you can just throw this together in a very short time. I mean, maximum 10-15 minutes or even less. You just need to chop all your ingredients and add it to it. I added some tuna. If you don't like tuna, you can add some chickpeas or any type of other beans or peas or pulses that you would like, just to add some more protein to it if you prefer. If you don't, you can leave it alone. And then I just decorated it with some more of the chive. I hope you do try this out. It came out so delicious, and I enjoyed mine with some rolls and avocado.